Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 19th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Pisces, this is your channel song. Pisces, we got the afternoon. You got this room for two. One thing that left to do. Pisces, discover me, discovering you. 1 mile to every inch, and your skin like porcelain. 1 pair of candy lips and your bubblegum tongue. And if you want love, we'll make it. We'll swim in a big sea of blankets. We'll take out your big plans and break them. This is bound to be love. Your body is a wonderland. Your body is a wonder, I lose my hands. Your body is a wonderland. Something about the way his hair falls in his face. I love the shape he takes when coming across the pillowcase. You tell me where to go and thought I would leave to find I would never let your head hit the bed without your hand behind it. You want love, we'll make it. We'll swim in a big sea of blankets. And you take out your big plans and break them. This is bound to be love. Pisces, your body is a wonderland. Your body is a wonder, I lose my hands. Your body is a wonderland. Pisces, da-da-da, 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 da-da-da. Pisces, I'm getting your body is a wonderland. Male or female, Jesus Christ. When you find a man and his body is a wonderland, mashallah, you just want to massage him. That's all I want to do. Your body is a wonderland. And so Pisces, someone's body is a wonderland. And I'm getting you love to kiss their porcelain skin with your cotton candy lips. And your first card out is a 9 of Pentacles, Pisces. You're dealing with a Taurus, a Virgo, Capricorn. Her body is a wonderland. Use my hands. Your body is a wonderland. So I'm getting you look beautiful. You smell so good. I'm getting a perfect body, a perfect waist. Is it my lady? Is it my lady? That's what it is, basically. Let's go into your reading. We have the 9 of Cups. I'm getting, yeah, you are someone's wish. If somebody wished for a person, an archetype, it would be you. I'm getting all someone does is drink and think about you. Think about your body. Think about what it would be like to be intoxicated with you. Intoxicated while doing you. And maybe how it would be to even raise kids with you. Okay, the Star card, yeah. We're getting someone's worshiping you. Getting your body is a wonderland, whether your clothes on or off. I'm getting you're all someone watches, you're all someone thinks about. I'm getting someone doesn't even think about having sex with you. Somebody just thinks about caressing you, kissing you, touching you. All right? I'm getting someone wants to explore your body. I'm getting if you ever give this man a chance to explore your body, he's going to take his time. I'm getting 1 hour foreplay. God, I would have dead. I would have dead. Would have dead. When they would have to bury me. I don't know where they're going to bury me. 1 hour foreplay. Jesus, I could have never left him alone to fuck and I never leave him after that. I don't know what I would have done to get rid of me. They're the 5 of Cups, but disappointment though. Maybe because someone is only a fantasy in your head. Someone can never be more than that. Okay? Someone is as hard to reach as going to Canada Wonderland. Basically, the angel. This would be like you watch somebody on TV every day and you fantasize about them and you say that I would never meet this girl, would I never be with her, it's just a fantasy. I'm getting something maybe closer to your reality than you think. Just because it's on the TV don't mean it's not real. Remember, the TV is just cameras uploaded onto a server. Remember that. No, I'm also getting there's something about this woman, right? You like this woman, you were hoping that you date this woman. The problem is the woman is pursuing a career in entertainment. And I'm getting you think that your chances are even lower now that the woman is going to be a star, basically. I'm getting she's the same person you know, the same person you see off screen is the same person she is on screen, but you are intimidated because of the limelight she getting. So now you feel like, oh, there's no chance now, right? And yeah. All that fantasy, the dreaming, you and her being together, it's all over. But you think it's over because she's a celebrity. So you think that you're automatically now out of her league because there's better matches for her now that she's in this world of... I'm getting someone work is them work. Them play is them play and them love is them love. I'm getting it, you're insecure because you feel like when somebody go out, they're going to be thinking about wanting a better man. They don't. They just want a better performance. I feel like you're trying to compensate to give this person something that you cannot give her. Anything you try to give her, she'll give herself. But I'm getting you feel disappointed because you were like, if she was a normal girl who did normal stuff, would I have a chance with her? No, she's a big entertainer. Everybody know her name. How am I going to do this? I'm getting that's what you're saying. The Eight of Cups, the Judgment card, and the Ace of Swords. So I'm getting you're going to be like, Kate, I'll never be with her, but I don't know what this is. Me getting you saying, okay, I'm never going to be with her because she's a celebrity. Might as well be a fan. You can Kapan, huh? Kapan Fridays. Hi, today's Friday, and we just want to give back to our fans, and thank you for watching us. So in honor of we just want to, today's Kapan Friday. I'm getting, yeah, you know, me getting maybe you'll be someone's biggest fan. Because me getting the dream of being with them is turning little to none because them getting bigger and bigger in society. And you still haven't said hi to them. So now you're going to say hi to them, you're going to treat them like, hey, you know, I saw your work, congratulations on your work. You're going to treat them that way now. Because me getting, in your head, you wanted to be them boyfriend, you wanted to be with them, but you're scared. Now she's a celebrity, oh, I'm more scared now. Maybe you should just be yourself. Maybe she want a friend for come on tour with her. A friend she can't fuck. Anyways, I'm so sorry. Toxic relationship. That may be the toxic sister of it. Gemini. Nothing more toxic than a Gemini. We have initiation rituals. We have dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun. Frustrate me. You frustrate me. I know you're mine, all mine, all mine. But it hurts so good, it hurts sometimes. Da-da-da-da-oh. Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. Your body is a wonderland. Your body is a wonder lose by hand. Your body is a wonderland. Your body is a wonderland. Pisces, da 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 dum da 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 dum da 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 dum da 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 dum da. Let's end it here. Until next time, Pisces. Your body is a wonderland.